the LendingWise Lender and Investor Marketplace. The marketplace helps you get connected to our list of vetted lenders or investors, most of which are clients of LendingWise. You can add your own private capital sources as well, so if you're trying to sell a loan or find fractional investors, you can do so with ease. To use the marketplace, you will need to already be in an opened loan file. Find the Marketplace tab at the top of the page to submit this loan to the marketplace. If you don't see the Marketplace tab, you may need to enable it in your back office profile in the Special Reports or Features section. If you don't see the Enable Marketplace tab option, then it's possible you don't have the marketplace included in your subscription, and you may need to add it on to your current plan. Let's click on the Marketplace tab. At the top, we see the main search criteria section. This section contains the required fields we need to fill out in order to submit this loan to the marketplace. What we fill out here will determine which lenders or how many lenders show up in the marketplace results below. First, let's select the marketplace loan category. We'll choose Fix and Flip. Next is the property type. We'll say single-family home. For property state, we'll select California. Transaction type, purchase. Finally, for borrower occupancy, we'll choose investment. The section below is called the Criteria Affecting Match Score section. Everything that's filled out in this section will only affect the accuracy of the match score with the lenders that appear in the results. Most of these parameters are automatically pulled from the loan file. If something is not filled in, you can fill out what remains to narrow down the specialty criteria that you're looking for. Once you've confirmed this section is complete, click the Search button below. Your results from the marketplace are below. This shows us that we received 21 results. You can add your own capital providers as well, so if you want to build out your own robust marketplace tool, you can add whatever lenders you want, family offices, private investors, and your private sources will show up amongst the public marketplace results here. But only you and your team will be able to see your private sources listed. You'll also be able to choose which users in your organization can have access to the marketplace feature. All the lenders listed here are automatically sorted according to the matching score, from highest match score to lowest. This matching score helps you find the right lender that meets the criteria for your loan. If you hover your cursor over the matching score, you'll see why this lender matched and why it didn't. To see more information about this specific lender, click on the blue plus button toward the right of the screen. This opens up additional information including requirements for loan processing and underwriting, loan program details, and usually you'll find contact information as well. There's a Notes feature, so you can save notes on each lender. Click on the Notes button. Type your note here. Click Save when finished with your note. And here's the Submit Financing Request feature. But as best practice, we recommend you reach out to this lender and establish a relationship before using the Submit Financing Request button. If you already have a contact with this lender, click on the Submit Financing Request button. This opens up the Financing Request window. Now we can enter our AE or main contact's email address here. The body of the message preloads with all the details of your loan automatically. There's also a link here that will take the lender to the deal summary page or deal room for this loan file, where the lender can respond. And then down below, you can attach documents that are associated to this file. Click the Send button when ready to submit a financing request. Once you submit, the status here will change for that lender and show Submitted, so you can keep track of who you've sent financing requests to already. Once the lender clicks on the link in the body of the financing request, they will be taken to this deal summary or deal room page. Here, they'll be able to review the information from the Quick app with the borrower's contact information redacted. They can scroll through and see the info for the deal. And once they've reviewed everything, they can scroll back to the top and click on the Submit Offer tab and submit an offer to you right from this page. The lender just fills out some details about the offer, like loan type, loan term, rate. Disclose any additional details as needed. And if they wanted to upload a term sheet or an LOI, they could do so here. Now, they can submit the offer to you with all the details needed for you to accept the financing terms. Once they submit the offer, if you go back into your loan file and click the Offers tab, this is where you can see the offers from the marketplace. You can also put offers received from your own sources outside of the marketplace. Keep everything organized here for this loan file. All of the different offers that you received from various lenders or investors, all in one view for you, so you can start comparing apples to apples here. This is where you can click to add an offer you received from your own sources outside of the marketplace. You'll want to make sure to set a point of contact for who should be notified on this loan file if there are any offers received from lenders in the marketplace. You can also add a note to your offers for future reference. Just click the Notes button. Type your note, then click Save. It's as simple as that. By the way, you don't need to use the marketplace to use the deal summary page or deal room with lenders or investors. We have a feature called Share This File located toward the top right of the screen in any loan file, and we can send the loan file in a similar way via email to third parties. Click Share This File. A window with share links will open, and toward the center of the window, you'll see share links for third parties like lenders, investors, and title, with quick app links on the left and full app links on the right. These are read-only links, so the receiving third-party viewer cannot make any modifications to the loan file. On one end, you can use the Quick App with Borrower Info Redacted link, or the same link, but with the Offer Submission tab included as well. Or, on the other end, you can use the Full App with access to all the uploaded docs link, or the same link but with the Offer Submission tab, just to the right of that. You can copy and paste this link into an email to easily share the loan file with a third party. Let's click on the Full App with access to uploaded docs link with Offer Submission to see what that looks like. We're now previewing the Full App link with access to uploaded docs and Offer Submission. We can see that this Deal Summary page or Deal Room is different. This one doesn't have the borrower info redacted. It has a lot more information. As you scroll down, you'll see there's a lot more information on this page. At the bottom of the page is where you'll find the Uploaded Required Documents section. The lender could select which documents they would like to download one by one, or they could select all documents. Then click Download as Zip to download everything in a zip folder. Then, they'll also be able to submit an offer to you via the Submit Offer tab at the top of the page, and all of this is done outside of the marketplace. Our goal is to help you get the best execution and the best rate on your loan. Whether you're selling your loans or whether you're shopping around for the best wholesale lender, LendingWise will help you get this done much more effectively and efficiently.